Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the camera or live text mode. Point at the printed text and hold steady. Make sure Translate is enabled in Settings or tap the Translate icon inside live text. This activates on-device recognition, which preserves privacy and speeds results. Once done, position the iPhone 12-15 cm away for sharp focus and reduce glare with even light. These steps let the OCR read characters accurately, so translations are cleaner and require fewer corrections later. Now you capture and convert. Tap the live text or translate icon to either freeze the frame or translate in real time. This yields immediate results. Select the source and target languages manually so the engine doesn't guess incorrectly, and drag the detection boxes to include only relevant lines. That reduces errors. Once translated, pinch to zoom for readability, tap words to refine selection, and copy or share the translated text for use in messages or notes. Finish by reviewing the translation out loud. Speaking helps you catch context errors, and you can tap any misread word to correct the OCR before copying. Save the translated screenshot in Photos or export the text to Clipboard, Notes, or a translation app for sharing. If things go wrong, if text is unreadable or translation is garbled, improve lighting, move closer, or switch to typing the phrase manually. This fixes most OCR and language detection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.